Hi developers, my name is Imran and I'm custom software engineer. In this playlist, we are going to learn about Android UI or Android user interface with the help of XML with the help of XML language. So let's begin. But before we jump into the course, let's take a moment to understand what is Android user interface. Well, in simple words, these are the virtual components. I repeat, these are the virtual components which you see in any Android application screens. In other words, these are the screens of any Android application. Why don't we see with the help of some examples? So as you can see, we have some Android screens and every screen contains multiple virtual components. If I talk about first screen, this one, and here we can see multiple components such as image, text, rating bar, icon and buttons. If I talk about this screen, again here one back button, text, menu bar, image, text, rating bar and some buttons. If I talk about this screen, again here menu bar, search bar, profile pic, music player, some text and icons. If I talk about this screen, again menu bar, some text, icon, image and many more. If I talk about this screen, here back button, image, some text, icon and chat window. If I talk about this screen, again back button, some text, icon and here we have some icon, image and text. So the whole point is how we can design such complex UI or such complex user interface in Android. We will learn it in this playlist. If you want to check UI for Android, then I'll recommend to visit this official Android website. And here you can see UI design for mobile. You can explore it for UI design in mobile. What I will do, I'll leave this link in the description of video. We will be starting coding in next video. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you want to see more such videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wish you all the best.